Today we are visiting the Oceanside headquarters of a global manufacturing company, Hydranautics, makers of state-of-the-art membranes used in reverse osmosis and other fluid purification processes.
My name is Jesus Hagen and I am a manufacturing process engineer. So we monitor the manufacturing process from a data standpoint. We make sure that all the processes are working smoothly, that there's no issues with the product, the process, or the people performing them. So we essentially support them and troubleshoot and provide technical support if they have any issues. We also monitor the end user product to make sure that it meets the specifications we promise them. What I enjoy most about my job is the diversity in which I can do different things. I work with different skill sets and different levels of people. So I work with higher level engineering directors that will help me with my development, but I also get to work with the operators and get to support and assist them in any way they need. So the biggest thing that I enjoy about my job is being able to work with a variety of different technical backgrounds and education experience levels and just help any way I can along those different interactions I have. The educational steps I took were a 4-year college degree out of high school. I went to a 4-year university accredited and I got my engineering degree, specifically chemical engineering. So after high school I went straight there after the summer and got my chemical engineering degree and just got my bachelor's in science and engineering and then joined the workforce. I would say that the top 3 skills that I use the most in my daily job are computer skills, such as Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint for presentations. I also use a lot of mathematics, a lot of mass balances and chemical reaction balances mathematically on paper. And my final skill I would say I would use as my communication skills, my people skills, getting to work with different, as I mentioned before, different education experience levels and just describe things in terms in which my audience can understand. So communication is a big one in engineering. The most challenging aspect of my role is unpredictability. So there's a lot of issues that will arise and there's no clear-cut solution for it. So we have to do a lot of troubleshooting, data analysis, and get to the root cause of the issue through deductive reasoning and just design of experiments. So it's a very involved and thorough process, and a lot of times we don't get the answer we want or we don't get an answer at all. And that's, in a sense, frustrating, but that's probably the most difficult part of my job. If I were to hire someone, what I would look for in that candidate is open-mindedness to learn new skills, to be teachable so that they could not only learn, but be humble so that they would be driven to learn more and learn from their mistakes. Nobody's perfect and we're going to go through trials and errors. So just having a good positive attitude of willing to learn and endure when things get a little rough, but we're all on the same boat, so it's okay.